Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you through the process of creating a custom hair extension order from start to finish. Do your clients want extreme lengths, trending colors, impossible textures, and must have it blend perfectly into their own hair? With our custom order program, you can design the look your clients want within our hair extension lines. A lot of stylists don't really know how much work goes into creating a custom order. So we're going to show you every step of the way. If you would like to learn more about custom ordering hair extensions, click the link in the description. Owning a production house in India allows us to control the quality of our hair extensions and offer a custom ordering program for our stylists. We just received a custom order for our curly 18-inch hand-tied wefts. A few tracks in 4 natural and a few tracks in 10 natural, with a 4 natural root. When placing a custom order, stylists send us a picture of their client's curly hair. This way we can match their curly hair texture and color as best as possible. Here we have Pungi, a 22 years tenured supervisor, using a picture provided by a stylist in Florida to select bleached hair in stock that has the closest matching curl pattern and length. Once the right curly hair bundles are selected, we make sure it is the correct length and that we have enough to create the custom hair extension. The chosen bundles are then wet tested to ensure that the curly pattern matches the client's curly hair both when wet and after naturally air drying. After confirming that the selected bundle's curly texture meets the requirements, the hair is sent to the bleaching department. The hair is wetted down first to avoid bleach lines and then carefully placed in a bleach bath with the faster bleaching ends outside the bath. The final level bleaching is often done carefully to ensure an even base color. Someone from the dye department always color checks the bleached hair to confirm that the base color is right for dyeing. The dye is being formulated and prepared to make the 4 natural color. The hair is separated for optimum absorption and wetted down before dipping into the dye bath. The pH level and temperature of the dye bath is checked. We manually blend the dye powders according to the 4 natural recipe. Once the dye is ready, the hair is dipped in the dye bath to get an even body color. Once the color is matching, the hair is then washed to remove any dye residue. After blending, the hair is drawn out to ensure the roots stay aligned. This is done at every stage of the process to ensure that the roots and ends do not get mixed up and cause tangling. Now we move into the sunlight to color match using the 4 natural production sample from the top to the ends of the hair. Every custom order is checked in this detailed way. Now we move to the wefting department, where the hair is divided into groups based on weight, ensuring proper weight distribution for each weft. Here our team measures the number of knots per inch to ensure correct tension and avoid gaps. The weft is then weighted again to ensure proper weight. A supervisor is always present to check the final weight and density of the weft bundle. The weft track is machine sewn twice with different stitch patterns so that it is durable and will not shed post-installation. We're now back in the bleach department for the rooted part of this custom order. To bleach the hair, we leave the tips out. They bleach faster than the body, and we need an even base color for 10 natural. Upon reaching the correct bleach base color, the body of the hair was dyed to color match 10 natural. And now it's time to dye the roots to 4 natural. In order to prevent the hair from absorbing dye, the body of the bundles are wrapped in muslin cloth while the roots are dipped in the dye bath. We can see that the roots are pulled out and color checked often until it reaches the 4 natural color. The rooted hair is dyed, blended, and ready to be hand-tied. Now that both parts of the custom curly order are complete, we check each weft for length and weight. The extensions are washed and conditioned one last time before being sent to naturally air dry in the drying room. We need to check the final dry texture before shipping the finished product to Los Angeles. The order has now arrived at our Los Angeles office and is being inspected. We make sure to check the hair extensions thoroughly so that it matches the stylist's order. We first check the weft tracks for proper density. Then we confirm the length is correct. Once we're sure the extensions are the right length, we check that the colors are matching. Finally, we make sure the curly hair texture matches the photo provided to us by the stylist. At Hand-Tied Compounds, we own our own production house, meaning we have the ability to be transparent. We challenge other suppliers to make a similar video about their production process. Let us know in the comments if you would like to visit our production house in Chennai, India. That's how we create custom hair extensions from start to finish. We hope this helps you understand why it takes extra time and care to make a custom order. If you're interested in custom ordering hair extensions, text us at 818-922-8586. Let us know in the comments below if there's a hair extension topic you'd like us to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more hair extension content.